For every $10 Ken earns mowing lawns, he gives $3 to his younger brother, Tim, who helps him. Which of the following gives the relationship between D, the number of dollars Ken earns, and T, the number of dollars he gives Tim? There's two ways to do it, as you might expect. Plug in, because we've got letters in the question, letters in the answer choices. So that's one way. And the other way is the algebraic. So I'll do both. The first, plug in. So let's pick values for D and T, and try to pick values that work out relatively nicely. So for every $10 Ken earns, he gives 3 to his brother Tim. So D is the number of dollars Ken earns. So let's make that, let's say 70. And we want to know, what would T then be? Well, he's earned 70. So for every $10, he gives 3 to Tim. So that means he's earned 70 here. So that's 7 sets of $10, which means he's going to give 7 sets of $3 to his brother Tim. So T will be 21. And D will be 70. With that, let's go to the choices and see which one of these is consistent with the numbers we've picked. So, A, D equals, or 70 equals, 3 times 21, which is 63, divided by 10. No, that does not equal 70. 70 equals 10 times T divided by 3. Well, this will be 70 equals 10 times 21 over 3, which is 210 over 3, which, what do you know, is 70. So B looks good. Let's check C. So C is going to be 70 equals 3 divided by 210. No. 70 equals 10 divided by 63. No. 70 equals 63 minus 10. No. Only choice here that works is B, and that's the answer. That's the plug-in way. Of course, any numbers you plug in, as long as you're plugging in the right numbers in terms of what the problem tells you, the restrictions are D and T are, you're going to be good. So what about the algebraic way? Well, think of it this way. So D is the number of dollars he earns. So we need to figure out, for every $10, he gives his brother 3. So we need to figure out how many units of 10 there are in the amount of D dollars Ken earned. Well, Ken earned D, so we divide it by 10, and that tells us how many sets of 10 he earned. And then for every set of 10, we just multiply it by $3. Right? So the amount of money that Tim earns is going to be D over 10 times 3. But we want it in terms of T, so we want D equals, so we'll just do a little algebra. Multiply this side by 10/3. Which multiplies this side by 10/3. So 3's cancel, 10's cancel. We are left with D equals 10T over 3, which again is choice B.